Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I know we're all over the world right now and our time zones are all dispersed. I'm currently here in Montreal, Canada, right downtown. Now, today is also Wednesday, which means it is Wacky Wednesday. And in light of keeping traditions, I have a pretty cool fact for all of you. Did you know that the human nose can detect up to 1 million different odors and remember 50,000 different smells? I know. Today is also a very special day for 3 different people actually. It is Charles David's birthday, Angel's birthday, and Medi's birthday. I know you'll have some free time laying around, and don't lie about that. So maybe today just give them a quick text or a phone call saying happy birthday. We all know they would appreciate that, especially during these times. So during these chapel vlogs, videos, whatever you would like to call them, I know a lot of the prefects have been giving you guys ideas of things you could do. So during my quarantine, what I've been doing is cooking. I've been cooking a lot, to be quite honest. I've made a bunch of cool recipes and things I like to do. So today, I would like to share some of you with you. Well, one of them, my favorite, banana bread. As you can tell, I'm missing quite a bit of ingredients, but that is because I've been making a lot of banana bread. So what you'll need for a nice banana bread is you need some milk, you're gonna need half of butter, you're gonna need 2 bananas, and you're gonna make sure they're a little riper than these. The riper the better. You're gonna need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 2 eggs, and that's about it for ingredients. Now you're gonna put all of the ingredients in a bowl. You're gonna basically mash all of the bananas, break the eggs, then put half of the butter and just mix them all up. And then once you have everything mixed up, you're gonna have kind of like a condensed mixture. You want it not to be super squishy, but also to be mushy. And then you can add a bit of milk, not too much. I would say almost 1/3 of a cup of milk. It really is up to you and how big your cooking pan would be. For example, here I have a rectangular base. So once you're done mixing everything, you would pour this into here, and then you would put it in the oven. You want to make sure that as you're mixing all your stuff and everything to make the banana bread, the oven is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so this will help everything when it's time to put it in the oven. So once you're done mixing everything, you're gonna put your little bin in the oven and you're gonna put it on for 60 minutes. And right after 60 minutes, you got it. It's your nice banana bread. Now, I'm gonna keep this video short. And that is all for cooking with Annie. But keep your mind active, your body active, and keep a smile on your face. But most importantly, remember, have a great day.